So we're out here in OC. We're about to do another mukbang at Sushi Damu. About to get that all you could eat. But we're doing something different today, guys. I'm gonna film all my friends eating because I'm actually on a diet and I'm not gonna be eating. I'm just gonna get a teriyaki bowl. So yeah, this is called the guest mukbang. So I'm just gonna be filming all these guys eating right here. Say what's up.
Hey. We're back at Sushi Damu.
I'm about to do the mukbang with the mug gang. Comment down below who you guys think will eat the most, just off of looks. What's up, everybody? Hello, Denver.
FBBW. What's up, guys? What's up?
Gotta start off the all-you-can-eat sushi with the fresh sake.
Have you been to the one in Santa Monica?
No, I haven't.
I ordered eight orders of these. There should be more coming.
It's the perfect size. I also like how crunchy it is. I would say, I generally like it less. It's a little too fried for my liking, but it's really, really good. But if that's what you like.
I want it to crunch. Look at all this sushi. It's very tempting, but unfortunately, I can't eat it today.
Soy sauce. I don't know if you use soy sauce on that. Hey, Dorish.
One sec.
How's that salmon taste?
Tastes raw.
At last, the best item of them all, the chicken teriyaki.
How would you say the first round was, you guys?
No, I thought it was amazing. We ordered a lot of sashimi, and honestly, guys, the sashimi in here is probably the highlight. Because like straight up, they put you a huge piece of fish and a very minimal rice, and it's amazing.
So, in my experience, a lot of people, what they like to do is go hard in the first round, but then they tap out, you know? But we know our strategy. We know it. First round, you know, you open up your stomach a little bit, and then you go hard second, and then go back soft third.
Heard it here first.
We went hard on our first round, bro. We don't go easy.
That's real milk.
And we still go hard on the second round.
Delicious. Still always FBBW though. Go follow my channel. Alex Host.
It's kind of raw. Like, yeah.
Alright, guys.
It tastes good, but it's raw, you know, so.
Shrimp tempura, round 2.
Round
I think I ordered 2.
So we got some more sashimi, some unagi eel, some salmon and tuna, more yellowtail, and I don't know what these rolls are, but they're rolls. So this is live footage of these weak boys right here getting full on the second round.
Bro, our first and second round were crazy.
This is the faces of defeat.
We need more sake. They don't want to give us sake.
We're gonna finish this mukbang off with the green tea ice cream. Cheers. Cheers, guys. So that was it for the guest mukbang for the mug gang. And now we're about to go get some boba. Stay tuned.
Alright, what's up, guys? So we just finished at Sushi Damu. All I got to say is, honestly, this place has the best sashimi, hands down, for all you can eat. Like, since it's all you can eat and you're getting that kind of quality sashimi, I would definitely recommend this place. Also, I like how they don't put too much rice on their sashimi. Their rolls, we only had a couple rolls, but they were still a-okay. So yeah, overall, I think it's a great bargain and super high quality sushi. The sushi was excellent. Absolutely excellent. FDVW though.
So there it is. I didn't eat all you could eat this round, but I've been here many times, and I could also say the same and vouch for this place. Has pretty good sushi. Maybe the service could do a little bit better, but overall, I give this like a 4.7 stars out of 5 for all you can eat sushi here in Orange County. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Mukbang, we're about to get some boba next at R&B, so stay tuned and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more mukbang videos.
VW, we out.